Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. 100 million Jamaican dollars has been set aside for an e-commerce fund to help small and medium-sized enterprises expand online. The Exim e-commerce funder is managed by the Exim Bank in partnership with the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association. It finances up to 80% of costs associated with trading through an e-commerce platform. The facility offers up to $5 million per entity at a rate of 5% per annum. It is a medium-term, non-revolving secured loan with up to 3 months moratorium on principal repayments. Grace Kennedy will no longer offer remittance services at a number of locations. The Bank of Jamaica says GK has voluntarily surrendered its remittance operating licenses for 4 sub-agents. GK Remittance Services, which includes Western Union, will be discontinued at McDonald Hardware and Groceries in Claremont, St. Anne, Autopro Body Repair in Bull Bay, St. Andrew, Shaz Service Station in Richmond, St. Anne, and Dry Mac Electrical and Kencott Park for Central Road, St. Andrew. GK will, however, continue its Western Union remittance services at 219 other locations island-wide. Soap manufacturer Blue Power Group generated less profits during the quarter ended July. Total earnings post-tax amounted to $7 million, down from $69 million last year. This was due to increased impairment losses and finance costs. Blue Power's revenue grew by $98 million to $214.2 million. The company says earnings were affected by disruptions to the supply chain and increases in the price of raw material. Blue Power says it's optimistic about improved growth for the remainder of the year. Time now for news on the foreign currency trading. The US dollar is selling for an average $152.69. $114.91 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $173.82 for the pound, while it's costing $153.62 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 728 points today, while the junior market fell by 10 points. Among the winners, JMMB Group 7.5% variable, cumulative, redeemable preference shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica variable preference shares, Salada Foods, and JMMB Group 7.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares. The losers were led by KLE Group, Eple's 5% preference shares, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Jamaica Public Service Company 9.5%, and Sterling Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.